Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from laptop to iPhone using USB cable. All right, so let's begin with the video. We'll guide you through how to transfer photos from your computer to your iPhone, which is useful if you want your pictures on your phone for posting, sharing, or keeping them with you. To get started on your computer, click on the search bar at the bottom and type in Microsoft Store, then open it. At the top of the Microsoft Store, search for an app called Apple Devices. This app allows your PC to sync with your iPhone. Once you find it, click Install on the left side and wait for it to download. While that installs, unlock your iPhone and plug it into your computer with a cable. Your phone will start charging, and if it's your first time connecting, you'll see a Trust pop-up. Tap Trust and enter your passcode. Now go back to your computer and open the Apple Devices app. Read and agree to any prompts if you want to proceed, then press Start to open it. After a moment, the app should detect your iPhone. On the left side, select Photos. Turn on the option to sync photos onto the device, then choose where you want to sync them from by clicking Choose Folder. A pop-up will appear where you can create a new folder. Right-click, choose New, then Folder, and name it something like Transfer, then press Select Folder. Next, open File Explorer and find the folder you just created. Move the photos you want into that folder by dragging and dropping or copying and pasting them. Once your photos are inside, go back to the Apple Devices app and click Apply in the bottom right. The syncing will begin and your photos will be transferred to your iPhone. After the sync finishes, you'll be able to find them in your Photos app. Depending on the dates of the pictures, you might need to scroll further back in your gallery to see them, and that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer photos from laptop to iPhone using USB cable. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.